Hi from Sketch. Let's watch some easy painting ideas which you can also do. Number 1. The first painting is by an artist called Creative Pola who creatively draws the sun with the shape of the tape and paints the rays of the sun in beautiful colors, and it is so easy to paint. Lastly, she embellishes it with a marker, and that's it. Number 2. This is a painting by Noor Ahmed Art. She gives a pink and turquoise shade to paint the canvas background. She gives paint some trees and birds with such foliage on the right. What a beautiful painting. Number 3. This artist made Creative Pola squeezes fine colors of pink with the help of the brush. She notices the angle with brush and water and paints a beautiful rainbow with it. Wow, what an amazing painting, isn't it? Number 4. This artist is very beautiful in her colors. She uses a sponge to create the background. With a tune tip, she paints a heart-shaped cloud. So creative, right? And that's it. She makes her painting glossy too. Unknown artist number 5. This artist from TikTok paints a two-tone background with yellow and pink. She uses the shape of a tape to paint the rays of the sun. And here you go. What a beautiful sunrise painting. Number 6. Unknown artist from TikTok. This artist paints the branches of a tree like a silhouette, and she garnishes it with colors. She uses a bundle of buds tied with rubber bands and makes the colorful leaves of the trees. Number 7. This is the artist makes easy painting idea from TikTok. She creates a purple background and a black marking. Rig at night, she makes the snow of the mountain. Very easy, right? Number 8. This is an artist named Varsha Fine Art. She soaks her brush in blue paint and sweeps the petals carefully to create a beautiful flower. She also paints beautiful leaves, and it's done. Hope you like watching the video. Comment below which painting is the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe.